So friends, if you don't remember Kotak debit card pin and if you want to change it, then you don't need to go to ATM for that. You can change your debit card pin simply using Kotak Bank application. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. Before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So first of all, you need to open Kotak Bank application in your mobile phone, and the process is going to be same even if you're using iPhone or any Android phone. So just open Kotak Bank application and complete the login process. Now, once the application is completely started, this is the kind of interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. At the top, you can check out your account number. You have view balance option over here. So if you want to check your balance, you can tap on view balance, and there are multiple more options present on the home screen. Now on this particular page, you need to go down, and once you get to the card section, you find debit card option over here. So simply tap on debit card and it will take you to the next page. Now there are multiple options present on this particular page, but you need to look for pin generation option. So tap on pin generation and directly it will give you an option to set new pin and confirm new pin. That is because whenever you log in into Kotak Bank application, you enter your MPIN or you scan your fingerprint or if you scan your Face ID. So yeah, later on it doesn't ask you for any other details. So first of all, just select new pin or enter new pin over here, confirm the new pin and then select submit option. So as you can see, I have entered the pin 2 times. Let's select submit option. Now it will ask you to confirm the details. You can check out the details and select confirm. Now you will receive an OTP on your mobile number and email ID. So you can check out the OTP and you can enter the OTP over here and then select verify option. So I have entered the OTP over here. Let's select verify. And now you can see request has been submitted successfully. So you will get a confirmation message from bank that the pin generation is successful. Now you can see I have already received a message. So yeah, that's how simple it is to change debit card pin in Kotak Bank application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.